Good morning, everybody. My name is Asruba and I am studying 8th class in JPU Boys High School, Kotpal of Kotpal Mandal. It's my privilege to stand before you. I want to share my ideas with you. Today I am going to discuss the topic, Save the Girl Child. Girls are equally as important as boys in the society to maintain the social equilibrium. Few years ago, there was so big as reduction in the woman in comparison to the man. It was because in the increasing crimes against women in such as female feticide, dowry deaths, rape, poverty, illiteracy, gender discrimination, and many more. To equal the number of women in the society, it is very necessary to save the girl child. The government of India has taken some positive steps regarding Save the Girl Child, such as protection of women in the female from domestic violence Act 2005, ban of female infanticides, immoral traffic, prevention at proper education, gender equality, etc. Some of the schemes were launched for girl child. They are Sabla scheme, Dhanlaxmi scheme, Kishore Sati Yojana scheme, Sukanya Samruddhi scheme. The slogan is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity.
Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe.